In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find customer support number for QuickBooks. We'll walk through the exact path inside QuickBooks Online to reach the Contact Us option so you can speak with support or start a chat as quickly as possible. First, open your browser and go to QuickBooks Online, then sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the upper right corner for the Help icon. It typically looks like a question mark inside a circle. Click that icon to open the Help panel on the right side of your screen. Inside the Help panel, you'll see a search box. Type any keyword related to your issue. Honestly, any short phrase works here. The point is to trigger the panel to load suggestions and, more importantly, to reveal the Contact Us button. After the results appear, look for the Contact Us option and click it. You'll now be guided through a few quick confirmations. Choose the topic that most closely matches what you need help with. These prompts help route you to the right support team and can affect what contact methods you see. Take a moment to describe your issue briefly and clearly. This speeds things up when you connect with an agent. After the confirmations, you'll see the available ways to reach support. You can pick chat if you prefer typing or choose the call option if you want to talk to someone directly. Depending on your region and subscription, QuickBooks may show a direct phone number or it may offer a callback. If a phone number is displayed along with hours of operation, make a note of it. If you don't see a number, select the callback option, enter your details if prompted, and you'll get an estimated wait time before a specialist calls you. A few quick tips to make this smoother: make sure you're signed in to the correct company, keep your browser up to date, and disable pop-up blockers if the Help panel doesn't open properly. If the Contact Us button doesn't show up right away, try a different simple keyword in the search box or refresh the page. Also, support availability can vary by plan and region. If it's outside business hours, the call option may be hidden, while chat might still be available. Having a concise summary of your issue ready, plus relevant details like your subscription type, will help the agent assist you faster. And that's it. By opening the Help panel, typing a quick keyword, clicking Contact Us, confirming your topic, and choosing Chat or Call, you'll reach QuickBooks support and, where available, see or receive the customer support number you need.